Okay, hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website with Canva. So this is a new feature and many people don't yet know about it. So you can now use Canva to build and design your website and for free also. You don't even need to have a pro account on Canva to do that. So we'll just dive right in right now. So you go to create design, click on create design as usual, and then here you just search for website. Just search for website and then there you go. So you just click on this website. Right, so wait for our design to open up. So just like every other Canva design, you just take your time to design the interface of your site. So first of all, as usual, we will name our site. We'll call it um www. All right. So and then okay, there are some things you should know. First of all, you should name each page of your site. So we will name this click on add notes here. Then you click on add page title. So this page. We'll name it home. All right. So that is that. For you to add a new page, you can click here or you can click on this to add a new page. So we'll just get started designing our site. We'll just add our icon or we'll add the text first. Okay. So we'll choose our font. We want this to be here. And then I need a good font. This font is part of my personal brand. I like it a lot. All right. So we'll look for an icon or somebody who is designing a website for. All right, and then we would have to tweak this background. It's just plain white, and of course we don't like it to be plain white. So let us look for something else that can fit. All right, so we'll change the color of this background to something like this. Yes, and then you will see what I will do here. Then I will add a gradient. There's a particular gradient I want to add. I'll just search transparent gradient. Yes, this one. I like to use this a whole lot. So I'll just put it here. And then want to give it this neon feel. So I'll first of all crop it. I'll crop it and then okay. I'll change this purple, I'll change it to something like this. And then the white, I should leave it. Should I leave it transparent? No, I'll just leave it here. Okay. Now I'll take it backward so I can access this. I'll go to position. I'll take it backward so I can now access this. All right. Now I should tweak the colors of this a bit. Blue, we need something bluer. All right. And then this, we need something different than that. Exactly, something like this. Red can stay, it's okay. All right. So and now we'll add this is the main text. Now we'll add another text. What am I typing? All right, build this will be the subtitle. I made some mistake here using Canva. All right. Now, of course, this is not what I'll be designing if I were to be working on a website, but because this is a video, this is a YouTube video, and I would not want to take all my time working on just this, so I will just leave it here. And then the last thing I want to do is to add a a layer at the bottom of this page. So I'll just come over here and then I would search for gradient. I'll just search for just gradient, something I want to put there. It's that feature is available on WordPress. So I'll just do this. All right, this is what I want. I'll rotate it a bit. All right, exactly, this is what I want. This is what I want. So I'll just take this up a bit and then I'll tweak the colors of this. I'll change this yellow to something like this. Will it work? No. Red, I think red does work. And then I'll change this blue to white. All right. Or I'll just change everything to white. I'll make it white. Yes, it's okay this way. I'll make this bold. All right. Now I'll add a new page and the color of this page will be white. Now you see what I was trying to do. Yes, so it blends into the background. I will extend it to the very end. I'll extend it. All right. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do now. This is I like there is a particular theme, there's a particular WordPress theme that has this. this feature, and it's just amazing whenever I work with it. All right, so I will now add some other stuff down here. But then this is basically our website. We can now add a button here and say um, um, reach out or send me an email, send me a message, a call to action button. We'll just add it here. So that's what I'll do. And then, all right, so now I think the contrast here is too much. So there's what I'm going to do first of all before I add the call to action button is that I'm going to duplicate this gradient. I'm going to duplicate it, make it smaller. All right. Remember I cropped it, so I will just uncrop it. I will undo that crop, and then I'll change the color to black. I'll change this color to black, and then I'll reduce the opacity, the transparency. Here it's called transparency. I'll reduce it. Yes, I would leave it at 30. Okay. And then what I'll do is turn it upside down. I need it to be at 90. Perfect. All right. So I'll make sure it covers the whole area here. Now I may have to crop it again. Okay. All right. So I will take it behind this text. I'll take it behind the text. So I'll click on position. I'll send it backward. I'll send it backward, and then okay, I can now click on this text. So but I can't click on this. I can click this. I can click this, but I can't click this. So I'll send it backward just once more. I'll send it backward just once more. All right. So what I will now do is send this itself. I will now send this backward again. So this is behind that layer. So like I said, I'll send this backward. All right. Perfect. This is what I want. Okay. I'm trying to take this up, up. All right. All right. All right. Now I can add a call to action button here. I would just go to shapes. I'll just go to shapes, and then these lines and shapes, I'll click on see all. There's a particular shape I'm looking for. Yes, this one. All right, so I'll just click on it, and then I'll add it here. I'll just write get in touch. Okay, get in touch. Now that is our button, but then the contrast is still not okay. So I'll just increase the transparency of this gradient, this black gradient. All right, so I just made it 100, so it's okay this way. And then I'll write here, get in touch. Now I can now add a link here. So I'll come to these three dots, click here, and no, I think that was the wrong. Okay, so I'll mark this, I'll click on this, and then to add a link, I'll come here, I'll click on this, and then I would add a link to any other place. Say you can add a link to my Twitter handle, so I'll just put www.twitter.com/this is honest. All right. So when anybody clicks on this, it will take them to my Twitter handle. Now that is that first page. Before we can publish this website, we must make sure that we name this second page just like we named the first page. So I'll click on this, add note, and then name this page about. Okay. Now we can now get started working on the about page. So I will not add anything here for the sake of this video, so you know how to add your about, whatever it is you want to write about you. Or I will just add the text, just a simple text here. Okay, so I just had to write this. Now I will reduce this. This is of course too big. Yes, I would reduce the size, and then I will change the font. I need something simple. Let me see. Open Sans. Open Sans should work. Yes. Okay. This will be full stop. All right. Okay. So this would just be it, and then I can say I can copy this, and then I'll come paste it here. I'll click paste. All right. So get in touch. All right. So this is our very simple website, and it's ready. It's not. This is actually a two-page website, not necessarily a one-page website. All right. So all right, so we are ready. Our website is ready. We can now publish the site. Will this be better as white? I think it's better we make it white. What do you think? No, I'll leave it. I'll leave it black. I'll leave it black. All right. So we will now publish our website. So click on publish, and then we wait a bit. All right. Leave this resize on mobile. Leave it ticked. Make sure it's ticked. Now you can publish your site on your own domain, an already existing domain, as if you already have a domain, or you can buy a new domain from Canva through Canva, or you can use Canva's free domain. So we'll be using Canva's free domain. So we'll just leave it ticked there, and then we'll click with navigation. With navigation. Now we'll continue. Now we need to add a description to our site. We'll add this is a test site, and then we'll just leave these other ones, and then we'll click on our URL. So our URL would be this. Now I already created this site, so each user can only have one subdomain. you can only have one subdomain to your site. So I already created hola.mysite.canva. So I'll just leave this as www. So it will be hola.mysite.my.canva.site slash www. So this is what they will give. It's quite ridiculous, but then that's the best. If you want to have your own domain, you would have to go and buy a domain or use your already existing domain. So we just click test. Right, now we're good. So we'll publish our site. All right, so now our site is ready. When we click on this link, we can copy the link. Once we click on view website, it opens up here and then we can see our website here. Now there are some hitches here because I'm first of all using a dark mode, and then this doesn't come out as planned, but then it's pretty good. Now I'm using a dark mode Chrome extension here. So hi, my name is Honest. I create digital solutions for businesses and teach 21st century digital skills and tools to young individuals. So when you click on get in touch, it will take you to my Twitter profile. You see that? All right, so that's it for this video. That's how to create a website with Canva. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for coming this far.